Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers from the team of CurriesToCustard. We are so glad that you found us. Our today's recipe is a perfect blend of taste and health. This spicy black chickpeas recipe is full of nutrients and yet so delicious that you just can't get enough of it. To make spicy black chickpeas, we would need black chickpeas 250 grams, water 3 to 4 cups, cooking oil 4 tablespoons, onions 4 that has to be chopped, tomatoes 4 that has to be pureed, turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, and Greek coriander to garnish. For tempering, we would need cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, bay leaves 2, black cardamom 2. For spice paste, we would need ginger 1.5 inches, garlic 15 cloves, green chilies 2, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black cardamom 2, black pepper 10 to 12, green cardamom 2, and star anise 1. We would start with soaking the black chickpeas for at least 8 to 10 hours. After that, we would transfer it in a pressure cooker and cook on high flame till 2 whistles. Then reduce the flame to low and let it cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. While the chickpeas are getting cooked, let's do some preparations. To make the spice paste, add all the ingredients listed under the spice paste into a blender and grind it into a smooth paste. Then in a bowl, add the spice paste, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder and salt together. Then mix everything to make a paste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water if you like and then keep it aside. We are all set for making the gravy now. For that, start with heating the cooking oil into a skillet. Now add cumin seeds, black cardamom and bay leaf into the pan. Let the cumin crackle, then add chopped onions as well. the onion gets golden brown in color, add the mixture of turmeric, coriander, red chili powder, salt and spice paste into it. Mix it well. Cook the spices till it starts to ooze out some oil, which is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the pureed tomatoes. Now cover it with a lid. Cook till the spices and tomatoes get dissolved and the oil starts to ooze out from the sides of the pan. Now add the boiled chickpeas along with the stock into the pan. Give it a good mix and cover it with a lid. Let it come to a boil, then reduce the flame to low and cook for 10 more minutes. Finally, garnish it with some green coriander leaves, then switch off the gas stove. Our delicious, spicy black chickpeas are ready to be served. Enjoy it with rice, roti or paratha. Please do try making this recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.